Hello and welcome to Full of Food. Today's cook is this mouth-watering chilli, topped with sour cream, cheese, fresh chilli and spring onions. I've got some minced beef here. This is actually beef and pork, you could use whatever. Some water, tomato puree, 1 can of kidney beans, 1 can of already chopped tomatoes. I've got a couple of onions and a red pepper. I'm using a chili con carne mix because I'm lazy. I'm also using lazy garlic because I'm lazy. Some spring onions and a fresh chilli and a little bit of olive oil to cook. This is so easy. All you need to do is chop up your pepper. So just into nice little chunks. Keep them quite chunky. Same again with the onions. And then get all the bits together to make your chilli in the ninjafoodi Max. You could do this in a slow cooker over time, you could do it in any pressure cooker. So a little bit of oil, I'm just going to saute these off. So I just want them to get brown, that's all. Get that nice oil coated on. And then next in goes my mince. So I just want to brown the mince off again, make sure all the red meat's disappeared. And you can see it nicely bubbling away there. So next in my chopped tomatoes, 1 can there. Kidney beans, again 1 can, I quite like a lot of beans. Tomato puree, just gives it that nice rich taste. A little bit of lazy garlic, I put about half a teaspoon, you could put way more if you like garlic a lot. Some water and the chili mix. Give that a nice stir together to make sure all those spices are into the meat. Pop your lid on. And we're going to cook this on high pressure for 10 minutes with natural release. Okay, while that's cooking away, I'm just going to prepare a few spring onions for my toppings and a little bit of chilli. I've also got some grated cheese there as well. This is red Leicester, I just like the colour of it and it tastes really good with my chilli. So, time to serve the good bit. There we are, lovely chilli. Big scoops into a bowl. There we go. So big dollop of sour cream on the top. And then I like to sprinkle a little bit of cheese, some freshly sliced chilies and spring onion. There we go.